There are a number of different types of caulking guns available on the market. The best caulking guns are those that can be used to cover a wide range of materials, including wood, plastic, and metal. These guns are designed to provide consistent and even coverage, making them ideal for job sites where accurate caulking is important. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best caulking guns. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, TOLESA Dripless Caulking Gun. When you have stopped caulking and taking a break, you only need to change the drip control on the TOLESA Dripless Caulking Gun. The rod on the caulk drip gun is going to cease to press the adhesives. Once you release the pressure, the silicone gun stops bleeding. In contrast to the old ratchet drive caulk guns, this mechanism is clamped on the rod when you squeeze the handle with less force. The advantage of this design is that there is no minimum caulk amount that you must use with every squeeze. The 10-ounce silicone caulking guns with a 10:1 greater thrust ratio can be used for more applications for household and professional use. For instance, a 6:1 ratio caulking gun that is dripless is suitable for latex caulks. However, in the case of adhesives and butyl or silicone caulks are more viscous and require a larger thrust ratio than a hand caulking gun to ensure the proper application. With a clamping force of 130 kilograms as well as construction adhesives. The smooth, round rod caulking gun is drip-free and has an ergonomically designed rubber grip that puts stress on your palms and fingers. Lightweight and strong nylon caulk gun body help you save energy for home improvement. An instrument for sealing and a sprout cutter and a cradle caulking gun can be a useful tool for your collection of home improvement items. This dripless caulk gun with a caulking toolkit will help to remove old caulking quickly and enhances the finish of the sealant. The sharp, high-density grout removal tool comes with 2 blades with adjustable heads that remove glass or caulk from flat surfaces of walls and corners. For caulk finishing, pads that are reusable and have different radii are suitable in a variety of scenarios, including gap grouting, straight, flat, and oblique flat angles. Here is the item number 4, DNYKER Electric Caulk Gun. The maximum force of this caulk gun made of lithium is 300 kilograms. The battery, when fully charged, can hold 300 sticks of glue. When not loaded, the battery could be used for as long as 300 minutes. When under load, it is able to be used for up to a maximum of 240 minutes. This caulking gun features an ergonomically designed grip that lets the wrist maintain an equilibrating posture throughout usage. The lock switch feature saves the user's efforts while ensuring that the product is able to be moved efficiently and precisely, giving the best filling effect. The glue guns can be used for sticks that measure 2 inches in diameter, 52 mm wide, and 220 mm in length that can fulfill the demands of caulking, sealing, filling, and sealing small gaps in balconies, doors, tubs, and windows, air conditioning holes, and many other places. This glue gun is cordless and extremely sensitive. When the user releases the trigger of the switch, the plunger rod instantly stops pressing the glass glue to stop the glue from leaking out. The item number 3, ValueMax Caulk Gun. A 360-degree rotating barrel lets the process be more flexible with a built-in spout cutting tool. The caulk gun is equipped with a utility knife to cut off the tip directly. A pin for sealing puncture leads the liquid to the spout. A trigger that is covered with rubber offers the hand a decrease in friction and resistance. It helps protect your hands. The galvanized part of the metal creates an anti-rust body, which extends the life of the piece and increases its durability. Once you have unlocked the part, the putter will move forward and backward smoothly. When thrust is exerted, the metal piece should be locked firmly, then the silicone/acrylic/adhesive/asphalt/butyl/cement will be perfectly controlled under the right use of the metal piece. There will be no drips when using these hand caulk guns when using medium to high viscosity adhesive. The sealant is pure and thin. Drips automatically in any circumstances once upside down. The caulking gun weighs 0.76 kilograms, and the dimensions are 15 inches by 8 inches. The gun's diameter is 2 inches and its length is 9 inches. The handle, made of silver, can be used as hook to hang it from the ladder. The 10-ounce sealant gun/grout gun is suitable for all kinds of gaps in joints, including windowsills, brick joints, sink bottom seals for toilets, sides, and so on. Number 2 in our list, WORKPRO Caulking Gun. It permits switching between low and high flow rates. Push the trigger handle downwards and you will be able to select the high setting. Thrust ratio is 18:1 to work for adhesive material. Pull the trigger handle up and the lower setting of the thrust ratio of 9:1 to use acrylic materials. This hand caulk gun is able to change from drip to no drip for the purpose of dispensing your desired applications. Press the top of the button. This stops the caulk from flowing and permits smooth, clean transitions, and less mess to be cleaned up. Press the button toward the back of the red switch. This will maintain an unbroken pressure on the tube to provide smoother operation and faster working. This sealant cartridge gun that has an incline barrel is able to access difficult to reach areas. A shaft that rotates is designed to make it easy to maneuver in tight places. The half-barrel frame caulking gun from WORKPRO is suitable for standard-size 10-ounce cartridges. Smooth plungers provide more control and give more force for pushing the caulk. The round rod that is smooth and has a spring-loaded thumb release is the quietest and most efficient project than the rod with a ratchet. The trigger equipped with a cushion grip increases the grip's comfort and keeps your fingers from hurting while you're caulking. The trigger and handle of the gun cartridge are made from ergonomically designed plastic, which makes it comfortable for prolonged working. The top one in our list, Newborn 930 GTD. It is equipped with a half-barrel steel frame that is sized to fit 1/10 gal. Cartridges. It also has a thrust ratio of 10:1 to work with low viscosity materials like latex. The rod is smooth and requires lesser force, and it is quieter than a ratchet-style pressure rod. The rod retracts following every pulling of the trigger, which removes the pressure in the tube in order to prevent the rod from dripping. The trigger and handle are cushioned for your ease of use. A welded plate is located on the back to secure the cartridge. A seal puncture tool, as well as a spout cutter, are integrated into the gun's side to open cartridges with no knife, and the hook in the back lets it be secured to the latter. Caulking guns are also referred to as cartridge guns or caulk guns, dispensing a controlled flow of products like caulk, adhesives, and sealants through a cartridge or tube. Manual caulking guns comprise a frame that holds tubes, a trigger, and a rod that is moved in the direction of the trigger when it is pressed to release the product. Caulking guns that are manual have a thrust ratio. The larger the thrust ratio, the more straightforward it is to dispense the caulk or sealant or adhesive. Caulking guns that are powered by air or pneumatic are also equipped with a frame and trigger, but they are operated using an air pressure regulator that pulls the caulk out of the tube with the pressure of air instead of rods. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best caulking guns amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.